If you've ever made something in SongMaker and thought, this doesn't really sound like a song, well, don't worry, because today I'm going to help you use Crow Music Lab SongMaker to create a song everyone's going to want to listen to. So let's get started. A good song doesn't happen just by chance. It is a creative process shaped by intentional musical choices. The songs that truly capture our attention, the ones we remember, hum, and even move to, are built upon key compositional elements. In this lesson, we will explore the art of crafting a compelling chord progression, use repetition to create structures and memorable ideas, and establish a groove that defines the mood, energy, and rhythmic vitality of a piece. Today, we're using one of the most popular chord progressions ever, 1, 6, 4, 5, 1. This progression can be heard in so many pop songs. And by the way, if you're not sure what a chord progression is, no worries. You can still create a composition in SongMaker without knowing all the music theory behind the chords. First, you will need to think of your notes like numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we go back to 1. We can build some very basic chords by skipping each square. Here's the 1 chord, 1, 3, and 5. I am going to create a simple rhythm with the 1 chord. It doesn't have to be fancy, just consistent. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the 6 chord, building it on 6, 1, and 3. The 4 chord on 4, 6, and 1. And the 5 chord is built on 5, 7, and 2. Notice that in each measure, I made the chords have the same rhythm. This is called repetition, and it will help give my song some continuity. Let's listen to what it sounds like. It's time to add the melody, but there's not much space on top. No problem, we can invert the chord. That just means taking the same notes and putting them in a different order, like this. It's still the same chord, just rearranged. And now you've got space for your melody. But we have one more thing to do. Let's change one of the chords to make it sound even cooler. We're going to turn our 5 chord into a 5-7 by adding one more note. But since I want to make room for my melody, I'm going to voice it down an octave like this. Let's take a listen. Now that we are ready to make a melody, here's an important tip. Don't just place random notes. Use the same color notes that you used in your chord. And start simple. Here's what I did. If it sounds good, repeat it. But maybe add some variety by creating different rhythms, like this. The first time I started my melody on beat 2. The next time I started it on beat 1. Same idea with a twist. That's how you make repetition interesting. In measure 3, I did it again, but I changed one note. And in my 4th measure, I made something completely different. I could actually stop right here and have a complete song, but I think adding harmony will really spice up this tune. And here's something really important you need to know. The harmony note should exist in your chord. That will make it sound good. You can add a note below or above. Just experiment. If it clashes, move it. If it sounds good, keep it. So far, we have used form and repetition in our song by creating chords, melodies, and rhythms. But now, let's make people want to move. Let's head down to percussion. A groove is a rhythmic repetition that makes your song feel steady. I'm going to put a kick on every other beat and a snare on the off beats. Now, the really important thing, make sure you save your song and click on the link so that you can watch it later. If you don't do that, you are going to lose that song forever. Let's review. To make your SongMaker composition sound like a real song, use a familiar chord progression. Create rhythmic and melodic repetition. Invert chords for space as needed. Build melodies from the chord. Add harmonies. And create a steady groove. But most importantly, experiment, listen, and adjust. Music isn't just about being perfect, it's about creating something awesome. If you want to learn how to make more songs on SongMaker, check out these videos over here. See you next time. God bless.